flood warning for the following counties: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for Pino County in south central California, San Bernardino County in southern California, southwestern Lake County in south central Nevada until 8 p.m. PDT. At 4:53 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms continue to produce heavy rain across Inyo County, including the lower eastern slopes of the Sierra Nevada west of Lone Pine and all of Death Valley National Park. Flash flooding is ongoing along State Route 127 and Highway 190. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low-water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stovepipe Wells, Furnace Creek, Valencia, Lone Pine, Independence, Shoshone, Big Pine, South Lake, Avenett Springs, Darwin, Texas Springs Campground, Mesquite Springs Campground, Keeler, Homewood Canyon Valley Wells, Scotty's Castle, Cartago, Diaz Lake, Portogi Lake Campground, Tuttle Creek Campground, and Whitney Portal Campground. Now for the official. Tuttle Creek Campground and Whitney Portal Campground.